Let me share a story with you. There was a time when parts from one of our suppliers did not align properly with our own produced components during installation, leading to assembly issues. Initially, we thought it was our own fault, so we meticulously tested our produced parts multiple times, but still couldn't find any issues. In the end, we discovered that the problem was due to slight precision discrepancies in the supplier's parts. To be honest, we control the precision of the machining holes, which is very accurate. The precision requirements for the diameter positions of the printhead baseplate holes are plus or minus 1 thread, which is 0.01 millimeters accuracy. The precision of the guide rail installation holes is controlled within 6. Every corresponding hole position has clear precision requirements. It is through repeated polishing and refinement that JHF has been continuously raising its own standards. Over the years, we haven't just been meeting standards. We have been genuinely raising our own bar.